They did my basement. They did it so that it would look like it belonged in this house that went with the upstairs. The living space just feels warm and cozy, even though it's down in a basement. I love how the bathroom turned out. It looks very nice. I'm very pleased. They were so easy to work with. If I had something I wanted different, they were very accommodating. They are very ethical. I never had a problem contacting them. They were on time. Everything just went so smoothly. They really take care of the customer.